Alright, figured since I was on my way into work this morning, my check engine light came on, and I have the opportunity to do a quick review on the OBDII sensor by BlueDriver. I would show you how it actually works. So as you can see, the check engine light is on, and right now I'm going to do a quick scan. And that's it. As you can see, code is gone. All it was my knock sensor, which is very typical with this car. Whenever it gets wet, it'll come on, and after a while, once it gets opportunity to dry out, it'll shut off. So that's it. And it works both on my 2008 Suzuki SX4 and also on my 2014 Fiat.